Prince Philip has walked out of hospital after spending 4 weeks under the care of medical staff. The Duke of Edinburgh had been in King Edward VII Hospital recovering from an infection and heart surgery.
We saw him leaving the hospital. A huge amount of police activity first thing this morning, starting at about 9 o'clock, a number of police officers gathering. We saw them sort of trying to cover off some of the entrances and exits to the hospital. And then, shortly before he left, we saw a screen being put in place to, I think, assist moving him from the hospital into the car. And then shortly after that, a car was driven away, a BMW, and in the back seat we saw the Duke of Edinburgh sitting upright, wearing a shirt and a yellow jumper, and then being driven away. Of course, it was 4 weeks ago that the palace confirmed that he had been brought here to the King Edward VII. They said at the time that he was able to walk in by himself. It wasn't an emergency admission. It was then around a week later that they confirmed that he was being treated for an infection. Then the week after that, he was moved from here at the King Edward VII to St Bart's Hospital, where he was then treated for an underlying heart condition. And we were told that he underwent some kind of procedure. We weren't told exactly what, but of course back in 2011 he was fitted with a coronary stent because of a blocked artery. Then about a week later he was moved back here to the King Edward VII, where we were told that he would spend some time resting up, a bit of time for recuperation. Last week, of course, for the royal family, a very busy week dealing with the fallout of Prince Harry and Meghan's interview with Oprah. So it all went quiet. We didn't hear much about Prince Philip's condition. But yes, today he has been moved from the King Edward VII. However, we are still waiting for confirmation from the palace to exactly where he's gone.